Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about the global positioning system, that is GPS. In this figure you may see there are many orbits around the globe. In that small flies like images, these flies are known as the communication satellites which revolves around the earth. These satellites plays a major role in getting the exact coordinate over where a particular point on the earth, right? Almost 24 satellites continuously revolving with 2 satellites as a backup. So among minimum 4 satellites, if we are able to get, you will get the exact coordinate of our position, right? So to get that, there are various varieties of GPS available in our Android mobile phone. Also we are having the GPS. It gives lat long, that is in north and east or north and west, right? Like that, it gives the exact latitude and longitude of the particular point where we are, right? So this is the main concept. With the help of this we can do many type of surveying, that is differential surveying, right? In this differential surveying we can fix the exact unknown point where it is and what is its coordinate, such that we can continue the thing. For that, our phone is a miniature of it. There are many handheld GPS also available, and advanced version with receiver and rover, which is of costly of it starts from 10 lakh to 25 lakhs, with a minimum handheld GPS of with the rate of 10,000. Our mobile phone, you may know, it is from 5,000 to it starts the range. In this in that also we are having the GPS. We used to see the our navigation, where we are moving, everything. It all get involved based on these 24 satellites revolving around the earth. It starts from the defense purpose, and major contribution starts from the country America, and it spreads over the world. And now India also having its own satellite system for our location. Till 2 years back we depends upon the other countries for getting the detail. Now we are self-sustained, right? This is the content of this video introduction. Why do we need GPS? GPS basics. How does the GPS works? Parts of a GPS system. GPS application, components and basic facts. GPS positioning types. GPS setup block diagram. Factors that affect GPS conclusion and references. Introduction. Global positioning system technology is a great boon to anyone who has the need to navigate either great or small distance, whatever it is. The GPS is a burgeoning technology which provides unequaled accuracy and flexibility of positioning for navigation, surveying, and just data capturing. Navigation means in the air or over the water. It plays a major role. In surveying also we are part of it. Nowadays GIS, global geographical information system, which depends upon the GPS data. Why do we need GPS? Trying to figure out where you or where you are is probable man's oldest pastime. Finally, US Department of Defense decided to form a worldwide positioning system, also known as NavStar. Navigation, satellite, timing and ranging global positioning system provides instantaneous position, velocity and time information. GPS basic. It related to a well-defined coordinate system, usually by 3 coordinate values x, y, z, in relation to other point, taking one point as the origin of the local coordinate system. These are the basic things. How does the GPS work? Requirement: triangulation from satellite. To determine the unknown position, we need to form triangulation of the satellites such that we can get the accurate point, what is the coordinate of it. Distance measurement through travel time of radio signals. See, we are getting our distance. Now I need to travel from this point to another point. If you put the the destination place, it gives the distance through walk, through ride, through bus, through train, how much time, how much distance, right? So the distance measurement is possible. Very accurate timing required. To measure distance, the location of the satellite should also be known. Finally, delays have to be corrected. This is the thing, the control station, receiver, GPS satellite over the space. These satellites get the data and send the data to the control station, and it get transferred to the receiver. From receiver we can get the data. These are the basic. The receiver also controlled by the control station only, but without receiver we can't get the data, right? Both are interrelated. This is the overall GPS control system. Application: surveying and mapping, navigation, remote sensing and GIS, geodesy, military. It's charged from the military defense purpose, and it spread like anything for various applications. Even today, for filling the ATM also, for security purpose, they are using the GPS, tracking some criminals, whatever it is, they are using the technology, right? Many movies are showing such applications. Components and basic facts. Triangulation from the satellite is the basis of the system. To triangulate, the GPS measures the distance using the travel time of the radio message. The radio signal is the predominant one in this. To measure travel time, the GPS need a very accurate clock. Once the distance to a satellite is known, then we need to know where the satellite is in space. As the GPS signal travels through the ionosphere and the Earth atmosphere, the signal is delayed, right? There the delay. If it is in proper position, we will get the proper coordinates very fastly. So what are the types of positioning we can make? Absolute positioning, the exact point. Differential positioning, based on the 2 or 3 points I can fix the unknown points. Differential positioning. This is the setup block diagram for it. Antenna, receiver, laptop, computer, antenna, receiver, data collector. The flow is same, and they are get combined in the personal computer for editing and differential correction. After the correction, the host computer with database program, it can be host to the or given back to the client or the data required persons. Like this is the general block diagram for the GPS setup. So factors that affect GPS: number of satellites. If very minimum, at least 4 minimum satellites should be required to get the coordinate. If it is less than 4, the accuracy get affect. Multipath reflection of GPS signal near the antenna affects. Ionosphere, if the satellite is over the ionosphere, the change in the travel time, the signal delay, phase difference, everything will happen. If it goes to the troposphere, change in the travel time, same thing. Satellite geometry, general distribution of satellites. Satellite head, what is the age of the satellite which gives the signal? If it is old, it may be wrong, right? Availability of signals. Signal strength, the quality of signal based on distance from the reference receiver, radio frequency interference, loss of radio transmission from base. Overall, bearing significant new complication due to the selective availability from DoD, the GPS industry is likely to continue to develop in the civilian community. There are currently more than 50 manufacturers of GPS receivers. The trend continuing to be towards smaller, less expensive and more easily operated devices. These are the references you can use. I hope you understand the basic concept of GPS. Thank you, friends.